This is a solution to solve 21 AMC 10A problem 14, and it says how many ordered pairs of xy in equation 1 and equation 2. So the method is basically graphing. With this absolute value equation, we have two cases where y absolute x plus absolute y minus plus or minus 1, and we can solve absolute x, absolute y 5 or absolute plus absolute y 3, and we can graph this out. And if we graph this out, if this is -5 and this is 5, then the graph is gonna look like this. I know it's a bad drawing, but I'm drawing with the mouse and it's gonna be quite hard. And I'll use a different color for this one. I'll use red. And this is -3. This is 3. We can construct this square that I badly up. And finally, in blue, draw this function in equation 1. So you can solve and get 3y equals -x plus 9y negative x squared over 3 plus, and it would definitely intersect at -3 and 3. You could just plug it in and make sure. So our graph also intersects here. At 0 +3. You can also check that. Quite trivial. And finally, we can just draw this. It's a pretty bad drawing, but if you draw this, you have 3 solutions plus 2 other solutions that intersect. So our answer is 5 solutions.